Right, that's sighting the LePage maple target. Just a quick overview. Made my own jag bullet pusher. I also got a 10mm brass pipe and just milled a gap in the top so I can fit the powder in. It works brilliant. I'll be using number 11 caps. If you can see that, 0.430 Pedisoli balls and 0.010 oiled patches with, not sure if you can see that, zoom in a bit, you probably can't, 24 grains of black powder. Let's see how we get on. Took 3 shots in centre there, 1 inch square groups, 1, 2, 3, that's 4 inch at 20 yard. That's just sighting it in, and then took the last shot, aimed for that red cross, so not bad that.